gonna make a density tower. For this, you need an empty glass, some water, some vegetable oil. You can use any oil. All the oil you can find in your house. Some food coloring to make the water colorful. Some syrup. Now I'm gonna add only 1 drop of food coloring into the water to make it really colorful. Now we'll add water to this level.
Gut.
Now we're gonna add this syrup. See what's happening? It's going down because the syrup has more density than the water. You see all the syrup sunk to the bottom because it has more density. That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna add some vegetable oil to this. The oil has less density than the water. That's why the oil is floating up. You see, it's really cool. Now we made a tower, so cool. I got this little stone, this lemon, this bottle cap, and this foam ball. Now let's drop the stone in it. See, the rock went all the way down. Because guess what? It has more density. Now I'm gonna add the lemon. See, the lemon sunk through the water, but it's floating on the syrup. Because the lemon density is more than the water, but less than the syrup.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna add this bottle cap. Now, cap sunk through the oil, but it's floating on the water. Last up is the foam ball. Let's see what happens. It's floating on top of the oil. It has less density than everything. Look at this cool tower. This is called Density Tower. Hope you like this experiment, but wait. Hit the bell and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.